Okay, so I saw this post blew up and it's kind of trending right now. What are your thoughts? Comment down. I'm not bashing you. This is just my POV. Ito lang yung pananaw ko. Okay, so sabi dito sa post, new pet peeve unlock. When kids are running around inside coffee shop, I understand that children can be playful, but I hope parents can be considerate of others who are simply trying to relax and enjoy their cup of coffee or tea. So this is getting a lot of negative comments, negative POVs, kasi nga ganito ganyan, you're a laptop guy. Pero sa akin naman no, not everyone naman na pumupunta sa coffee shop at nag-stay doon are laptop people. Because example sa akin, I don't have a laptop, I all have computer. So lang na madalan ko doon sa coffee shop. Ang hirap mag-set up ng desktop. And yeah, tama naman yung sinabi niya that people are also trying to relax, you know, to just chill, gossip with friends, and pag may maingay talaga, okay, you have a point na maybe you can go somewhere else. But what if we prefer sa coffee shop? What if we prefer na doon muna tumambay, chumeka, mag-relax? Kasi mabango din naman kasi yung coffee shop, no? Nakaka-relax kasi yung amoy ng coffee pag nasa coffee shop ka, admit it or not, that's true. And you kind of just really want to relax when you go to coffee shop, right? I mean, and if you have kids who are running around, maybe you could also try to be considerate to other people. Because after all, that is a public place, and you cannot really control everyone. But at least you can respect the space of others, and you know we can give a respect to one another para maging harmonize. Tama naman, di ba? We can be may harmony, ganun. So that win-win for everyone. Yun lang, peace na. Okay, wag na mag-away ka. Wala naman yung guy. Nagtutulungan nyo. Okay, bye.